Wombat, short, stocky, and built like furry tanks. These amazing Australian marsupials are expert diggers, using their strong claws to carve massive tunnels underground. But here's the wild part. Wombats have cube-shaped poop. Yeah, seriously, it's square, so it doesn't roll away. They use it to mark their territory and even communicate with other wombats. And if that's not strange enough, they also have reinforced backsides, powerful enough to block predators from their burrows. Though clever and a little weird, that's the wombat. And that's just one of 20 amazing facts waiting in our full Wild Logic episode. Stay curious, stay wild, and keep exploring the logic of nature.